Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the ranch at Laguna Beach on this beautiful day. We're here with my friend Chabeli of PS Plans and Associates, getting ready to build out a dream wedding space. This project challenge includes a very tight timeline where we have to build our reception tent overnight, come back the following morning with the remaining rental items, set up ceremony, cocktail, reception, and after party within an 8-hour time block. Grab a quick little break, come back at 10 p.m. to strike everything all out. Because this is an active golf course, we don't have access to the venue until 6 p.m. And with daylight savings, it now gets dark at 5. So stay tuned to see how we're able to make this happen. These guys are amazing. They have to haul it 400 feet to the reception site. I don't even know if you can see it, but it's essentially where that truck is. About 400 feet from where we currently are. They knocked it out in like an hour and a half, unloaded all the material, dropped off the heaters, the chairs, the tables, and everything else that we possibly could bring on this truck. And so we're already ahead of schedule, luckily. We have to start tomorrow at 6 a.m. and be done by 3 p.m. Get a little break, come back at 10 p.m. and then break it all down. Just before 9 p.m. Vinyl skins are ready to go up. Frame is already set. Making good time. Hopefully we're wrapped up by midnight. Woo, it's really cold out here in Laguna, but we're making great progress. Luckily, we have 2 more bays to go up before we get ready to raise the tent up. Right now, our biggest challenge is just this cold, clear vinyl. It tends to kind of just like harden up and makes it extremely challenging to feed through the heater channels. We have a couple of heaters running through to try to heat up that vinyl. And then that seems to be working a little bit, but that's what's slowing us down right now. Morning. Woke up here. Then we're making progress. Stage is about to go up next. Chairs and tables are being dropped. They're gonna go into the tent next. Stage is ready. Now it's time to wrap it and make it look pretty like ooh. So now let's just making sure that we have them in the correct placement, and following my little diagram here, digital copy, so that make sure that everything is according to plan. Are now 90% done. It's a nice bright sunny day now, but as we found out yesterday, it can get very, very cold very, very quick. So yesterday was in the low 50s. We're expecting another similar night tonight. So we're gonna go ahead and just add a bunch of heaters around the reception table so that guests are kept nice and cozy. All right, gang, we finished. We're completed another successful wedding, signing out of here in Laguna Beach. As always, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below so you can see more amazing projects coming your way. But as of now, this is it for Laguna Beach. We're gonna go home, grab a little break, and come back. We're gonna strike everything down at 10 p.m. Click on the playlist down below to see other amazing wedding transformations. Until then, we'll see you on the next one.